What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today I'm coming to you from Queenstown, New Zealand. This is actually the adventure capital of New Zealand. So if you're excited about this video, crush up the likes. Let's get started. So here's the Marine Parade. And do a 90-minute lake cruise. Whoa, that lady almost got taken out by a seagull. Oh my God. That's crazy. Where are they going? Earn Slide. So this is personally the furthest south on planet Earth that I've ever been. Even further south than when I was in Hobart. At least according to the map, that's how it appears, because I did go to Hobart, Tasmania, and further south than when I went to Argentina and Chile, at least according to the maps. So I'm pretty excited to be this far south. There is further south you can get in New Zealand, closer to Antarctica, but I don't have plans to go there. Listen to that dog over there. He doesn't seem too happy, does he? Alright, so here we are at the Queenstown Gardens. So you can see this rotunda is noteworthy. Queenstown Lions Club. And I'll just show you around real quick. Oh, whoa. Baby duck. Nice, very relaxing. Queenstown Gardens. So this here is the Queenstown Beach on the lake. And this lake right here is called Lake Wakatipu. See those jet boats ripping through here? People are drinking Steinlagers and wine and all types of different things. Going down here to see the Shotover River jet boat, which is supposedly the fastest jet boat in the world. So let's go take a look and see what this place has. So it's the richest river in the world because of the fact they found a lot of gold in this river. But now it's home to the world's fastest jet boat. So if you want to do the Shotover jet boat, that's where we're going, down to this little beach here. Did you know that in New Zealand there's actually no predators? No predatory mammals or reptiles here. Let's see if we can find a kiwi bird. Damn. Yeah, beaches all over this place. Oh gosh, what do we have here? Oh no. I don't know if I got the legs to do it. Do I? Oh, barely. Oh my gosh. I barely made that. That would have sucked if I didn't land that. It was a little bit risky. Alright, so my final impressions of Queenstown are there is a lot going on here. The more you stay here, the more you realize how much is actually going on. It's more than just all adventure. If you're into adventure, you can do the Overshot River speedboat or the Nevis swing, go to Milford Sound, walk around this Marine Parade. This Marine Parade has a lot of different cool stuff, everything from comedy shows to ice bars and massage, and, you know, all types of different things here in this town. And it's pretty densely populated. Like, they get a lot of tourism here. So the nature, the trails, the hiking, the exploration, it's on par with, you know, Yosemite. It's like, it is the Switzerland of the South, you know. You can see, very nice down there. Beautiful weather. It does get a little bit cool at night. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this episode of Island Hopper TV from Queenstown, and we'll see you on the next one. Look at that ice cream shop.